So for this little project, you will just need 2 colors of yarn, and this is just regular size 4 medium weight yarn. You'll also need, I'm using a size G hook and a little pair of scissors. A size H hook would also work. Honestly, an F would work. Pretty much, you could kind of use anything. This is a pretty forgiving project. Very, very easy, good for beginners, and very forgiving. Okay, so to start out, we're gonna grab whichever color we want first. It really does not matter. And we're just going to make a little slip knot. So just do a little slip knot, pick your yarn up with your hook. You want to make sure your tail is just a little bit long because this is going to end up being the tail on your friendship bracelet so that you're able to tie it on. So now you're going to chain 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And now when we get to 30, we're going to just pull our loop out and snip our yarn. And now you can just pull this loop out, okay? So now we've got tails on either end. Now we're going to take our hook and put it right back into the very last little chain that we just made. So just put it right on in there along with the tail. And now we're going to grab our next color of yarn. Now with this, we're going to again leave a little tail and just grab a little bit of your yarn and pull up a little loop. So now just kind of put your tails together so that you make sure that you're not using your tail to crochet with here. You want to make sure you're using the working end. And now all you're going to do is put your hook into the next chain and do a little slip stitch. And then do that to the next one too. And you're just going to slip stitch all the way up the chain that you just made. So just continue on up each one of those 30 little chains. And once you've reached the end of your chain, you're just going to slip stitch in that last chain. Then you're going to pull up a loop again, snip your yarn a little bit long, but not too long. But again, it's going to be the other tail end so that you can tie your friendship bracelet on, and just pull your loop out. Now just give it a little tug so that it's nice and flat and straight and smooth. And now on each end, we're just going to tie a little knot. So just do a little loop around and tie a little knot on this end. And then same thing on this end, just do a little loop around to tie your end. And then I like to go ahead and snip my ends so that they're all the same length. I just think it makes it look a little prettier and neater. So just snip it. There we go, so they're all the same. And now your friendship bracelet is ready to give to one of your friends. Now, the cool thing about these bracelets, I think, is that you can see this is the right side of the crochet, but the wrong side I think is actually cooler because I love how it's striped like that. So you can wear them however you like. You can wear them on right side or wrong side, but I think they're both really cool. The other cool thing about these is that they're a little bit stretchy, so you can like pull them on and off your wrist. so you can wear them when you want to or not wear them when you don't want to, but you can put them like right back on and off. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this little project, and I hope you have fun making bracelets for all your friends.